Little update for the Bluetooth adapter for our V70. We will go in real the supermarket, so I will start the car and see what's going on with the connection. I never started the car since yesterday, so let's see. And it's connecting first time this time. That's good news, that's good news. Another try, we came out from the grocery, so let's see. It's working again, so it's a good news. We're leaving the supermarket. I will make another try. Well, finally it's working well, so that's a good news. After many tries by leaving the supermarket and the grocery shop, it seems that the Bluetooth adapter is working fine with the iPhone. Finally, that's a good news. So I must apologize for what I said in the previous video, but it's better like that. Cheers, guys.